Kawadhi County noero ma Homa Bay telo mar Victory Farm mayudore Suba South Suba County ochiwo mich mopogore opogore ne jotijegi madirom 500. Nyasi mar chiwo mich makamago ota kod CEO mar kambi noero manoeri Migosi Joremenda mabende olero moko kuom projects mabende gin godo mabende konyo e bero ngima jodak mabende odaka e aluora makono. Jotijogo eko kotelnegi kod Migosi John Ogweno oduoko erokamano ne telo mar kambi noero kuom mich mabende omigi.
Yeah. Simply clap as he receives his award, surely.
Happy 5th anniversary to John Wege, payroll number 0004.
Kaluwore gi gik momiwa, omiwa gi kuom tiyo maber kod rito tich. Kuom mano, wegi tich no oneno ni mondo dichie makawuono mondo mi gitimie arus kosiluongo nango gi dholuo yawa nyasi machalo kod maendie kod sani. Ka kuom kok mano wago erokamano kuom dongruok mwaseyudo kokalo e organization mar Victory Farm kendo osegero gweng'wani duto te. Kokamano wakwayo ni omed dhi nyime omed gero.
There's been a number of programs that we've launched that I think have made substantial contributions to the welfare of not only our staff but also our community. I know the Clean Drinking Water program has made a lot of impact. I understand from the health officials the cholera rates have gone down, and the list of CSR projects. We're very proud to have Caesar on the team heading that up. There's a number of new CSR or / partnerships professionals who have joined the team, but the number of development projects that are going in are definitely making an impact. And I know I hear from a lot of folks about how proud they are of the Akula, Rowe, Guasi Hills area, Suba Sub-County starting to really accelerate. My last, I have one or two more small things to go through. I'm probably over time. But I do want to announce on growth, and this is the first time that we are announcing this officially. So I'm very excited to say that the growth of 500 employees here is going to continue to grow. We're going to look to expand. We're going to continue to engage government. We're going to continue to engage new communities to sell more fish. So you can see all those empty cages sitting right out here. The plan is to continue to invest in our people, continue to excel, and continue to focus on being the best farm in the world.